back with another video. Today I have a wig review for you guys, and this wig was sent to me by So Good Shop, and I won one of their giveaways on Instagram. So make sure, if you're not following them, that you go ahead and follow them, and I will link their Instagram below. They have a lot of cool giveaways, and of course they're updating you on their new products, and it's just a good page to follow, so make sure you do that. I'm going to be reviewing and showing you this wig from Bobbi Boss. It's a lace part, premium synthetic lace parting wig, and this is Naya Faith, and she comes in a lot of cool colors. It has a 5-inch part, and yeah, so we're gonna see what she looking like. Naya Faith, straight out of the package. All I did was just take the little stock card off. I didn't do anything to her, and we're gonna get into the cap construction so you guys can see what she's built like. As cap construction, I did tell you that she has that 5-inch parting space, lace parting space, if you want to call it. So that's what that's looking like. The inside, you can see that, and there is no combs in this unit. So for the ladies who don't like the combs, because you know people be saying it snatch your edges back and all that stuff, this unit does not have combs. Some people like combs, but it does have the adjustable straps. And so yeah, and it's the you know, the breathable cap. So yeah, that's the construction. So this is Naya Faith just put onto my head. I haven't did anything to it. I really haven't been playing with the waves or the curls, and I think right off the back the color is popping. Like, I usually stay away from these kind of browns or bronzes or whatever you want to call it, and this is the color TT1B/30. I really like this color on me. Actually, this is giving me like spring, fall vibes, something like that. I don't know which one, but it's giving me one of them. I love the cut. It's like type of kind of like an asymmetrical wavy bob or something. So let me show you guys what the back is looking like. So yeah, that's the back of the unit. I mean, I like it. If you don't like the bang swoopy thing in your face, I mean, there's ways around it, but if you don't like that, you might not want to deal with this unit. But, and that's what the parting space is looking like. It's decent. It's pretty decent. I think I'm gonna just add some powder and see where it gets me. If not, then I'll go ahead and pluck it, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the powder off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys what that's looking like. Guys, so I did add some powder to the parts. You can see that I did add some, but I think I might go in and just pluck a little bit more. Well, pluck, because I ain't pluck at all, but yeah, I might go pluck it and just open it up just a little bit more. Like, I'm not too fancy on the big super wide parts, but yeah, I really like this unit. It's nice. It's bouncy. This could be a nice everyday wig. You can go from the office to partying at the club with this one. Like, it's really cute. Like, it's really cute. You can't tell me this ain't no sew-in. This ain't no weave, shawty. You can't. You can't. I really like this, and once again, I want to thank So Good Shop for sending me this unit. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so pretty. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, and hopefully you guys can go purchase this. They have so many cute colors, and it's really affordable. So yeah, and I am starting a series of affordable wigs. Everything's gonna be under 50, so I'm gonna keep that playlist on my channel, and I'm gonna title most of my wig videos that are under $50. I'm gonna tag them as such, so you know that when you go to this playlist, everything's affordable, and you pick you out a wig, shawty, and you be popping with me, sis. You feel me? So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. All right.
I say, damn, little mama, you done grew up. Yeah, the way you walking got me too stuck. I'm too lucky to have you up in my presence. Better yet, should I tell you your acquaintance is a blessing, huh? Yeah, I know it's obvious, but I just had to mention it. Niggas ask me if we fucking talk, the